Our son was just not listening. I was telling him he needed to go pee before our long car ride, but he just kept running away like it was some sort of a game. So I used a strategy to tap into his innate need for independence. I said something like, "Okay, buddy, you have two choices. You can go to the toilet on your own, or I can help you by picking you up and putting you on the toilet. Which one would you like?" He thought for a second and then went running to the bathroom. Now, there are two important things to remember about offering choices. First, the choices have to have the same outcome that you're happy with. Like whether he does it himself or I bring him, he's on the damn toilet, and that's all that matters. Second, the first choice should have one that they're in control of. Chances are they don't want to give up control, so they'll go with option one. If you'd like to learn more tips and tricks like this, head on over to happyhumanlife.org. My husband and I have a brand new coaching, support, and community program called the Happy Human Collective. We would love to see you there.